Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's channel, or for today's video, rather, we are going to talk about our top three RMM applications that you can utilize for your business. Whether you're a startup company or you're a large company, you might want to take this video into consideration. Without further ado, let's start the video. So, first up, we have NinjaOne. So with NinjaOne, it has powerful RMM features. It includes a proactive monitoring. Apart from this, it also provides real-time alerts, which are very, very helpful. And it has a remote device management. It's excellent for scalability and support for large organizations. It has strong automation, and of course, its automations are customizable. The downside, however, or the things you might want to consider when using NinjaOne is the fact that NinjaOne is for mainly it's built for larger companies because it's expensive for smaller businesses due to its per device pricing. So the pricing is per device and not really per technician. So that's gonna present a problem for smaller startup businesses, especially for those who hasn't really accumulated that much funds yet for an RMM system. Now, our next application is Atera. So Atera, some of its strengths is that it has a user-friendly interface. And apart from that, it's easy to use, especially for small businesses or for small teams. It's great for small businesses, mainly because it has a per technician pricing, as you can see here on the screen. Making it more affordable for smaller businesses. And it has a strong automation capabilities and integrations with other tools. Things to consider, however, with Atera is that some of its RMM features rather may not be as extensive compared to that with NinjaOne, and patch management can be slow, therefore resulting in some confusion for some users. Finally, we have ConnectWise alternative. So with ConnectWise, in terms of usage, it can be challenging due to its complex interface. So it has a very complex interface, but it offers extensive automation capabilities and pre-built scripts similar to NinjaOne. So despite the complexity of the usability, it still pushes forward when it comes to its special features or when it comes to its wide range of features. Now, when it comes to pricing, however, it has a more transparent pricing model compared to that with NinjaOne, meaning the pricing definitely for ConnectWise is a lot better compared to that with NinjaOne. As you can see here, the pricing for ConnectWise starts at $79 all the way up to $160 per technician, which is more affordable actually compared even to that with the Atera. Now, integration wise, it has strong integration with other ConnectWise tools, including PSA or professional services automation. Therefore, it offers a more unified platform. Now, which is better? Our suggestion is choose depending on your needs or on your company needs. So, for example, choose NinjaOne if you prioritize easy usage in terms of usability, quick onboarding, and a more streamlined platform. And if your business needs are well supported by the wide range features of NinjaOne, then definitely choose NinjaOne. Choose Atera If you are a smaller business or if you have a small IT department and you're looking for something that's easy to use at the same time is affordable and has strong automation capabilities. Now, finally, choose ConnectWise if you need a more comprehensive platform that offers multiple features and a wide range of pre-built scripts. And if you preferred a more unified platform for RMM integration with PSA. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.